Cut page is where you edit out video footages with basic level of setting. But if you want more options, then edit page is the way to go. And the way to access edit page is by going around over here from the bottom, or by going around over here in workspace, and then you can go to switch to page, and then you can go around onto the edit page from over here as well. So over here in the edit page, you see a preview window where you can go around, select in and out point of a video footage or an audio clip, and then this is where you see the final footage right here arranged out in a timeline. And even the timeline right here is more detailed inside of the edit page. So there's audio controls right here, video controls. You can right click to get more options, and over here on the top you got razor blade and other editing options as well. So if you were to go around on the top right here, you can also enable out the mixer right here to get audio mixer options for each of the audio layers that might be there in the edit page right here, just like this. So there's the video footage right here, there's like the audio right here, as you can see, and you can work around with them individually quite easily. In the cut page, you see the overall view and then the clip right here, but in edit page, the only thing that you see is the timeline itself. You can go around and zoom in and out of the timeline right here, the entire timeline, when you're working with it, just like this. And that is the interface right here. You can also right click over here on individual clips right here to get more options around over here. And overall, the edit page is much more detailed and it is targeted towards much more sophisticated editing purposes. So from now on, we are going to focus more on this page in the following tutorial series videos. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.